Okay, in this particular video we're going to just very quickly go over the basics of substitution in algebra. And with substitution, what usually happens is that you're told what various variables, that are letters basically, what they're worth numerically. And it's up to you to substitute these in for those letters in a particular expression. And probably the best thing to do is show you an example. So for example, if I said to you that if A equals -1 and B equals 3 and C equals 5. So I've given you the information as to what each of these letters is worth. What does, let's make something up, 4A minus 3B equal? So in this particular case here, what we need to do is substitute the values of A, and in this case B. I'm just going to leave C for another question a little bit later on. You're going to substitute each of these into this particular question, into the variables. So for the first one, for example, we've got 4 times -1, because that's what A is equal to. We'll just put brackets around because we treat them separately, minus 3 times 3. So this is the 4A, which I'm underlining here with yellow, and this is the 3B, and now we work those out. So we say 4 times -1, well that's -4, minus 3 times 3 is 9, so minus 4 minus 9 equals -13. So that's what that would equal. So that's a form of substitution. A slightly harder question, we might say something along the lines of minus 4, oops, let's just take away the minus actually. Let's just say 4A plus 2C over B. So that's 4A plus 2C all divided by B. So let's substitute the values in there. So we've got 4 times -1 plus 2 times 5, because that's what C is worth, all divided by B, which is 3. Just carry on working over here. So 4 times -1 is -4, plus 2 times 5 is 10, all divided by 3. -4 plus 10 equals 6 over 3, and that all equals 2. So that's basically how you do substitution. You take the number, you put it in. Now where it says 2C or 4A, remember when there's not something in between the letter and the number, it's multiplied. Just remember that, and that's a common mistake that people sometimes make.